Warm greeting to all. Myself, R. Dharani, Assistant Professor of Nutrition and Dietetics, the Standard Fireworks Rajaratnam College for Women, Sivagasi. In this video, I am going to talk about the type of food service establishment and functions of management. Let us start from food service. Food service or catering industry defines those business, institution and companies responsible for any meal prepared outside the home. This industry includes restaurant, school and hospital, cafeteria operation and many other formats. What are the two segments of food service industries? Commercial and non-commercial. Let us see the commercial segment. Commercial segment mainly based on the profit oriented. Example, restaurant, pub, banquets, airlines, stadium, ships. Non-commercial segment. This category of food service includes those which operate either at very low profit or break even, making no net profit at all. The goal of such organization is to sustain the service for the inmates of the institution, such as educational and social organization, which may be partial or fully subsidized by government or industry for the benefit of its employees or inmates. Let us start what is meant by management. Management is an act of effective utilization of resources carefully structured with constructive plan of action towards achievement of a common goal. From this module, you may be able to gain knowledge on various functions of management, importance in managing food service institution. Basically, there is a 6 important functions of management that aids in effective management of food service operation. They are planning, organizing, controlling, directing, coordinating, evaluating. Recently, two more functions, mainly staffing and representing, has also been included. I hope you will agree with me that planning and organization needs an in-depth mental framework with minute detailing of activity to be performed, while rest of the functions called as interaction between employer and the employee. With this background, let us learn all the 6 functions of the management in detail. First and foremost step is planning. Planning simply refers to what to do, why to do, how to do, when to do, and by whom. Though planning literally implies futuristic activity, it always done on past experience and performance. For a better understanding on planning, let me give you an example. Imagine that you are asked to plan a menu for 3-star hotel and you given a list of items, say veg soup, paneer butter masala, veg pulao, charcoal lava cake, out of which you asked to select 2 items. What do? Won't you check the popularity of the menu from the list, their demands, sales of the individual items and profit? To predict the future sale of the selected 2 items, you would have actually reviewed the past performance of the 4 items. Good planning will help the institution in effective time management, identification of futuristic challenges and scope of improvement, enhancement of better work efficiency, elimination confusion. It serves as a guidelines for cost control measure. We have come to the second functions of management is organizing. Organizing is the translation of plan into the specific activities arranged in a sequential order to smooth flow of work. Example, you aware of food and beverages department in hotel or restaurant. The task of serving food in a restaurant is broken down into two activities, namely mise en scene and mise en place. Mise en scene means preparing the environment through cleaning the restaurants, checking the ambience, switching off the air condition. Mise en place means preparing the meal for a serve through laying the table, setting the cover, filling the water jug. To carry out the mise en scene and mise en place, the trainee or waiter will be employed respectively, and they will be given the authority, the permission to perform the respective task. Directing literally means assignment of an work of an actual task. Food service manager normally use 5 techniques to direct his or her employees towards achievement of a common goal. They are instructing, supervising, guiding, teaching, reviewing. Let us learn the relevance of this technique in detail. Food service manager detailedly gives a clear instruction of activity to be performed, every work done plan. Simple and clear instruction, interact with employees, clear their doubts and queries, instructional manuals and chart placed at different point of work area. Next, guiding is the process of motivating an employee by giving constructive suggestions to achieve the desired performance. Remove the fear of underperformance amongst employees. Third technique is supervising. Supervising is a constant monitoring of tasks performed by an employee, watching and complimenting, regular round to observe and evaluates performance level, sales volume, profit margin, customer feedback. As a part of a directing, food service personnel are educated to organize work efficiently, conserve energy, manage time, keep up deadlines by effective planning and execution. Fifth and last technique of directing is reviewing. Here, total performance of an individual or an activity is assessed and enable the management through assess the quality of work, identify area of improvement, assess the performance ability of individual, help to develop training components. What is coordination means? When a group of people work together harmoniously towards a common goal, they are said to be a coordinated. Coordination should take place between individual and departments. Coordinating make an institute efficient, strengthens the establishment, enhance employees' loyalty and goodwill, foster teamwork, creates better understanding, establish a positive work environment. Lack of coordination leads to poor work efficiency, quality, ultimately results in customer dissatisfaction. Controlling enables the management by identifying their factors that affect the overall growth. It helps to identify the threats and problems in business. Controlling can be practiced by measure the performance outcome of the institution in terms of profit, identify the gaps, comparing the standard product with that of the actual produce, doing a cost analysis to find out the reason for deviation in standard. Sixth functions of management is evaluation. Evaluation literally means the overall rating of a performance outcome. Evaluation can be done through employee, work condition, food product, profit. Employees can be evaluated through staff appraisal, checklist, rating scale. Work condition can be evaluated through cleanliness, ventilation, lighting, safety and security. Food product can be evaluated through sensory evaluation, objectives and nutrition. Profit can be evaluated through sales volume and profit. Summary. All the six functions of management are highly interrelated. Managers or managed cannot sustain in the market by merely choosing one or two functions. No one functions can operate in isolation or in a set manner. Achievements of a set goals are possible when all the functions are performed at all levels of organization. I hope you understand the types of food service establishment and functions of management. You got a clear idea. I hope so. Thank you.